Well, Elizabeth Gardner is working hardly, maybe, outside today at the Museum of Natural Sciences.
She's talking about Darwin Day and also some cool sights that you'll see in the sky. Elizabeth.
Exactly. Yep. It's absolutely beautiful. I drew the short straw and had to be out here on this absolutely beautiful day. So it's wonderful. We were talking about Darwin Day earlier, but that's not the only exciting thing that's happening at the museum. I want to introduce you to Patrick Droithart, and you're going to be leading the observation of the transit of Mercury.
That's right. Yeah.
And that's on Monday. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah. So this happens pretty infrequently, maybe about 14 times a century.
Oh, wow.
So on Monday, we're going to see Mercury actually pass in front of the sun. And so Mercury is actually very tiny. It's a relatively small planet, and it's really far away. So really the only way you can see it is through using a telescope with filters and things like that.
So it's not going to be like an eclipse, of the moon or the sun where it, mostly obscures. So if you don't have a telescope, you're not even going to know what's happening.
Right, yeah, you won't be able to see it. It's really about 0.5% the size of the sun.
Wow. So this telescope, is this one of the ones that you all are going to offer to the public?
Yeah, so we're going to have this one set up and one other one. And so this is a specially designed solar telescope. So the filter for this telescope is actually, the lens is actually specially coated so that way it blocks out almost all of the light except for a specific wavelength of red. And so we're going to be able to see a layer of the sun that you can't see with normally the visible layer of the sun.
Neat. So that's going to be extra neat. So you'll have two telescopes, and they'll be out here in front of the museum on Bicentennial Plaza.
That's
you
right.
said from what time?
From 11 to 1.
Nice.
Yes.
So very, very nice. So that's going to be exciting. And what is it, 20, 30 something before we'll see it again?
So the next time it'll actually happen is in 13 years, but the next time you'll see it in North America is in 30 years. Wow. So 30 years from now, you can go back outside and see it from here.
Well, and interestingly enough, most people think of telescopes as something to look at stars with.
Right.
And so, just again, keep in mind that this is going to be in the morning, and it lasts, you said, starts at about 7 and ends at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Great.
Yeah, so we are observing a star, it's just going to be our own.
Right. Patrick, thank you so much.
Yeah,
so,
no problem.
a never-ending stream of lots of fun things to do here at the museum. Again, for Darwin Day on Saturday, that's going to be a nice choice.